Hey there. Assuming I've got my mic set up right, we're going to do a run through of editing the front end of your site for Kelly B. Todd. Now, the first thing to do is get to the site and to actually log into the admin side. So you're going to be at Kelly B. Todd CP Center or kbtoddcpcenter.org/WP-admin. This will bring up a login screen and allow you to log in. And then from here, you'll be on the back end. Now, the next thing to do is go to the front end of the site and then click on Enable Visual Editor. So once that's on, you'll be able to come in here and actually select text like I showed you and make edits. I don't have the right email in here, so I can't pull up the changes that we wanted to make, but you could select this text and start typing what you need to be here. Now you can see I left a character beginning and trailing characters, and I do that. Now you don't have to do that, but I do that just so that I ensure the formatting stays the same, because if you select too far outside, it can mess it up. But typically, like here we can see on Chrome browser here, it's not going to let me select too far outside of this. It's not going to let me select outside of the section, sorry. So I can't change the formatting. But here's the other thing. You can change the formatting of certain words. So we could actually come in here and say, change just one word here. So if there's a situation where I had different formatting within a section, what I typically do, kind of my habit, is I will select. I'm gonna click out of there. I will select the inside characters, and that way everything I type matches everything else. Because if I selected here, so you can see that went away. You can select these sections and actually drag and drop, and you can see like this title is a section, this inside part is a section. When you hover over it, you'll get a little cogwheel, and you can see these don't line up perfectly, but you can see the one on bottom is the text and the one on top is the title. And you just click on the cogwheel and it'll open up a dialog box with more options. And then these, I think you have to edit on the template, because they're part of the templating system for your site. So if you want to edit anything in the bottom part. Now I'm going to show you this. If you click here, normally you would click save and then exit Visual Builder. I'm going to skip the save because we didn't do anything beneficial, and we're just going to exit, and I'm going to discard changes. Now, and actually you can see, or maybe, I don't know if you saw it, if you caught it, when I clicked into the footer area, it actually lost my changes that I made up here, and that's part of the templating system. So that is normal, but it's also kind of annoying sometimes. Anyways, let's get back out here to the dashboard, and if you didn't see that, I hovered over the Kelly B. Todd site bar and clicked on dashboard. Now it says visit site. But for instance, we want to change that footer section. So we'll come over to Todd footer. Now I'm in the Divi section, then Divi library. And we'll just click on it. It will open up a module section. And we click on the 3 lines there. And then we can come over here and actually say, this should be help. KB Todd cpcenter.org. So we can save that, update this. Now that should have went through the whole system, which we're going to check on that right now. And you can see that updated this part here. So those are some really basic overviews of editing your pages. I'll do a more in-depth part to this. I'll show you how to change images for the backgrounds and the heroes, the hero sections, and show you a few more things like that. Still have